In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to sharpen a picture, how to sharpen an image using Snapseed. Well, let's import an image first. I'm going to click on the plus icon and then it's going to bring me up here. So now I want to choose I should choose an image. Let's choose this one and it's going to be imported into Snapseed. Well, how do we sharpen this image? Well, you want to click on the tools option at the bottom, and then from here you want to choose details. Let's find the details. This one, second one. So once you choose that, you're gonna see the settings option right in the middle at the bottom. You want to click on that and we want to choose the sharpening. So after you chose that, now you might be asking, well, how do we sharpen this image? You gotta put your finger on your screen and move it to right or left. When you move your finger towards right, it's gonna increase the sharpening of the image. As you guys can see, it's really sharpened right now. How do we de-sharpen this? Well, you wanna swipe your finger towards left and adjust this image, adjust your image to your liking. I think this looks really cool for this image, this 29 plus sharpening. So once you're done with your adjustments, you wanna save this. How do we save this? You wanna click on this check mark button at the bottom right corner in order to save your changes. And right after that, ta-da guys, our image has been sharpened. So this is how you sharpen an image, how to sharpen a picture using Snapseed, guys. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.